So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to generate an AI image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, I want you to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the Elements tab right here. Simply just scroll down to where it says AI image generator. So you can go ahead and just generate an image of your own, or you can select an image, for example. So Gothic castle surrounded by dinosaurs. If you were to go ahead and press on that right here, you can press on generate image right here. It's going to go ahead and do its thing, take a couple seconds right here. Just bear with it. It's going to take a couple seconds, obviously, to generate and create this image because you are using AI. So there you go. You can select this image right here if you're looking at that. That's your image. You can also just go back right here. You can change this magic media. So you can go ahead and say a green shark fighting a human. I don't know. Just as an example, I'll press on generate image right here. It's going to take a couple seconds now to generate this image of a green shark fighting a human. So I'm actually pretty curious what it's going to pump out here in regards to an AI generated image. So there you go. We can use this right here. Right, there's a shark right here, a green shark. Looks like they're in confrontation with a couple of different people. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to generate an AI image here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.